Hey beauties, how you doing? So much to tell you, but today we're going to talk about this company that sent me a bunch of stuff that I'm going to do a giveaway with you girls too. So the company today we're going to talk about is SKINSTORE. SKINSTORE is an unbelievable website where you can buy high-end to normal. The prices are good, some are expensive, but the products are top of the line. And the customer care is fabulous. It's a great website and they have some great things. So I'm going to show you all of them. If you want to be in the giveaway, just leave a comment and make sure that you're subscribed and over 18, and I will send a box of goodies to you. So let's see what they sent me. Now, they let me pick out what I wanted, so I thought, let me pick out some cool things and maybe some things that you would like. And today I am having I'm wearing bangs. This month is Skin Cancer Awareness Month. They're having a campaign now, and it is in honor of Skin Cancer Awareness Month. And they had asked me if I wanted to do a self-tanning products, and I said I'd rather do SPF because that is my main product I use every day is SPF on my hands, on my arms, on my face. So all the products here have SPF in them. So the first one is Juice Beauty. It's an organic solution, SPF 30 sports sunscreen. It has 20% zinc oxide. Along with that is the Juice Beauty SPF 8 lip moisturizers, hydrants, the organic solution. There are 3 in here. Look how cute, a plum, a pink, and a clear. And they are all 8 lip moisturizers. Cute. Next we have a Babo Botanicals, and I love these sticks. These sticks you can put in your pocket and you can touch up on the go, and if you forgot to put on your SPF in the morning, you can always do it in the car. And it is a clear zinc sports stick sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30, water and sweat resistance for 80 minutes for face, lips, nose, and ears. For babies, kids, and grown-ups too. It's fragrance free. Wow. It's 100% non-nano zinc oxide active ingredient. Gluten, soy, and dairy-free, rich in antioxidants. That's pretty good. This is an SPF 30 and I love it. The next product from them is this adorable sports super shield sports stick, and this is 50. And you know, these are water resistant, ultra sheer, hypoallergenic, and that's why they call it sport. And I love to wear the sport sunscreen because I think that, you know, you don't have to worry about your hot flashes or anything, that your sunscreen's coming off. And look how cute this is. It comes in a little thin, like a deodorant, and there it is. I don't want to swipe it because I'll probably give it away. Now, Babo also has another mineral sunscreen. So this isn't a chemical, this is a mineral one, and this is called Babyface Sheer and Gentle SPF 50 zinc as our active ingredient, 100% water resistant, 70 plus organic ingredients, broad spectrum SPF 50. Isn't that great? I mean, this would just go in my pocket. If I'm wearing jeans, it would just go right in my pocket. And I would touch up on the way. I would touch up on the go because I always want to make sure I still have sunscreen here and on my hands and here and here. And if I don't have bangs on my forehead. But I usually have a hat on. Okay, they sent me 2 of these, And this one I opened. And this one will be for you. It's a new 50 Body and Face Broad Spectrum SPF Mineral Anthelios Sunscreen Gentle Lotion with this ingredient that is supposed to help your skin. It's called Cell Ox Shield and UVA UVB. Tested on sensitive skin, fragrance free. That'll be going out to one of you. Then we have another one, the 60 Broad Spectrum. And this one you should shake. Ultra light. And I think it just, yeah, it just pours out. It's a thinner liquid. And it is ultra sheer. Ultra sheer. It's a matte finish, fast absorbing, for normal to combination skin, dermatology tested. Beautiful. The next thing is Daily Sheer, another mineral sunscreen, and this has 40. And it is extra sensitive for face, soothing, moisturizing, ultra sheer, lightweight, broad spectrum, fragrance free. So important sunscreen. So I will be sending this out to you girls too. It's non-greasy, lightweight, allergy tested, and unscented. A very soothing formula which glides on easily and feels so good and clean on the skin. This is amazing. And let me tell you, when I was in my, especially when I was in my 20s and as a teen, we always used sun reflectors. And we use baby oil and iodine. I mean, come on. If we did that now, we'd be a prune. It's a good thing I stopped at 40. I stopped at age 40 and I said, no more sun on my face without protection. I always have protection. I always wear a hat and I always face the other way. So I get my vitamin D and, you know, my vitamin D from the sun, but I don't get it, the bad rays on my face, hopefully, because that is what's going to sag the face more. I'm 72 now, and I've been doing that since I am 40. When I used to go to the beach with my friends, I would sit the opposite way of everybody. I still went to the beach, Fire Island, you know. We had fun, but I sat the opposite way. So, this is the last thing, and it's by DHC, which is my favorite makeup cleanser. And so I was really curious to see what kind of product they put out in a sunscreen. Now, this sunscreen is SPF 30, broad spectrum, and it has vitamin C in it. It's a bright idea for your skin, lightweight, non-greasy, you'll love to wear. Mineral blockers, titanium dioxide, and zinc oxide offer broad spectrum protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Companies have finally got with it with the UVA and UVB. That's what you need to protect your skin. Plus, alpha-arbutin and vitamin C help brighten. Fabulous. Love DHC. Cute. Very cute, and you could carry it around with you. So, this is all the products that I got, plus this. And I will be dividing it up, and I will be sending them out to a lucky winner. If you could just leave a comment, and if you're over 18 and you're a subscriber, then I will enter you into the contest. And after a few days, I will pick the winner. I will let you know who the winner is on an upcoming video. If you don't answer, then I have to pick another winner. So I hate when that happens, but it happens. So I will be back, and I will give you an update on what's going on in another video. So stay happy, stay well, stay safe. Remember, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. The reason I can't comment or reply to your comments is because then I will be entered in the contest, and I don't want to take that away from you. So we do have another giveaway that I will be announcing this week that I will be picking this week from my last video. And we have another giveaway today. So I hope you enjoy. I love sharing the goodies with you. You're all beauties, and I love you all. Mwah. See you soon.